Hi, beautiful lovers. How are you all doing? I hope you guys are doing very, very great. So, guys, I want to show you how I make this delicious vegetable soup. If you are interested, keep on watching. First of all, I would like to introduce the ingredients that I'm using for this recipe to you guys. So, guys, this is my vegetable I'm going to use for this recipe. And why this is the blended tomatoes, combination of red bell pepper, onions, and the fresh pepper. And I have some blended crayfish over there, and some chopped onions and some chopped garlic over there. And I also have some fried cow meat here and some cow skin, which is pomo, and that is ishaki, and I have one seed of maggi cube. So guys, let's get started. As you can see, that oil is already hot, so I add the chopped onions inside the oil. I will give it some time. So I now add the chopped garlic. I will stir it together. So after some time, I now add the blended tomatoes. So I need to stir it. So I'll cover it, allow it to cook for just short time. So at this time is already like after 2 to 3 minutes, I now add my blended crayfish inside and I stir it. So that is nutmeg powder and curry powder. So I'll stir it. So I'm going to add the maggi cube. And I'll make sure I stir it thoroughly. After that, I will add my meats. This is the ishake, and why this is cow skin, which is pomo, and I will add the fried meats. Stir it together. So I'll cover it. I'll give it some time to steam together with medium heat. So at this time, this is what I got. So I add sauce stock water, and I'll cover it for just like 2 minutes. After then, and I add my vegetable. So let me appreciate you guys. If this is your first time you are watching my video, thank you so much for stopping by. You are welcome. My name is Ivy. Please and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Subscribe to my channel, hit that red button that says subscribe, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. And for my old subscribers, thank you so much. You guys are wonderful. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. And please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up by clicking that like button. Thank you guys. God bless you. And if you want to support this channel, please, thank you so much. You are welcome. And you will see that button down my video here, join. Just click on that join and you follow the instruction. Thank you so much. So guys, at this time our soup is almost ready. I just add a little salt and I'll cover it for the last time. Oh my god, I always forgot. So guys, my today's hug goes to Mrs. Seki in Ireland. Sis, thank you so much. Thank you so much. You are blessed. Thank you. May God bless you. So guys, wherever you are watching me from, just let me know on my comment section so that on my next video I will send you a hug. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. And whatever you think about this delicious healthy soup, just leave your comments down my comment section and I will make sure I get back to you guys. Or you have anything that you want to tell me, or you have any kind of recipe you want me to cook for you, just leave your message on my comment section and I will make sure I will get back to you and I will do it. Your wish is my command. So this is the end of this video. So let me eat. I'm so hungry. Guys, trust me, this food is very delicious. And please don't forget to subscribe, like this video. Thank you so much. I will see you guys on my next video.